So time for a serious shout out. Look at the paintwork on this fucker. Right, 8 times this bike's been out in a show. On a club run, it's been entered into a show, and 8 fucking times he's come back with a prize. Look, we're dripping in them, and obviously a part of that is the finish and the paint. So go and check out DB Cholla, Danny Boy Cholla at Rebellion Paintworks. There's his phone number, there's his email. Find him on the socials, get some fucking work done. Here's the dyno, like a sneaky peek. We're on the strip down. Shiny bits. I need to check that disc fits the wheel with the spacer that I made. And the wheel's over there. But we've got the front end out. We're going through, stripping it down, making a list of any fasteners that we need along the way. And this is a pile of needs work bits. So, these need polishing. Where I put a piece in, I made them wider at the base. And they got a few scuff marks here and there, because they've been around the shop for a little while. This bottom yoke, I've had to trim the back bit. It had a big loop here with a lock on it for the standard soft tail, but obviously it's not suitable for my application. So we've cleaned them off and turned them into the bump stops, steering stops. I'm going to fill them with weld, sand them smooth, knock the bearing off, and then I'm going to send it off and get it chromed, re-chromed, I reckon. The forks here, I'm going to lose these indicator blocks. So I'm going to split them. I've got new bushes, new seals, new everything for these, and I'm going to go in the lathe. I reckon they'll fit in my lathe and I can round these bits off. It's my plan. Wish me fucking luck with that. That'll be an interesting one. Righto, look, by the power of fucking television and we jog, it's PJ, look, he's not fucking paying attention. We have stripped it to pretty much its component pieces. We've got a box of need to clean and put back on. We've got a table of need work. That needs going with the frame. And the swing arm for shot blasting and powder coating. So that is that.